Good morning, OPOS stars. Let's do the OPOS Aloo Bhindi. We start the stopwatch. Start with 2 tablespoons of oil. At least a couple of tablespoons are required to ensure that the bhindi doesn't burn. A bit of cumin and bhindi cut into big chunks, completely dry. And it has a bottom layer to ensure that they all touch the bottom. The other half we'll add potatoes cut into small chunks so that they both cook at the same time. Loading should take us around 1.5 minutes, and the cooking should take us another 3 or 4 minutes. Some chili powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. That is rock salt. That's it. Close and cook on high for 2 whistles. This should be a 6 to 7 minute recipe from cutting to plating. You will notice that the absence of water delays the time of the first whistle. If you had added a tablespoon of water, you would have got a whistle by now. But unfortunately we can't use water for this recipe because it will make the okra slimy. Also we are adding jeera as the bottom layer, and with water it won't fry. So what should technically be a 5-minute recipe has become a 7-minute recipe because you have cut out water. That's one, and let it go for one more whistle. That should do. Switch off, release the pressure. If you had reduced the amount of buffer, you would have faced more charring. Mix it all up. And you will get 1 tablespoon or so oil back. This extra oil was required to ensure that there was no charring at the bottom. If you had added just 1 tablespoon of oil, you would have faced charring. So there you go. Nicely roasted potatoes, bhindi with the color intact, all done and dusted in less than 7 minutes from scratch.